Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a workspace in Trello. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply go to Trello.com. It's your first time, of course, you'll be taken to this page instead. Here you'll be able to click on login in the top right corner to log in into an account. And if you don't have an account, go and click on Trello for free to create an account. You can use, of course, a Google, Microsoft, Apple, Slack account if you have one of those, so you don't get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. Once you're logged in, you should find yourself here. If you don't have any board, or if you, of course, we said we want to show you how to create a workspace. So if you go normally to this workspace at the top left, you'll find the current workspace, your workspace, and guest workspace. For you, if you're on the free plan, you will have access, as example, to just one workspace. And if you want more example, you'll be able to create, but you'll need to get a better plan. So if you don't have a workspace, as example, for me, as we said, I have two workspaces here. As you can see, this workspace, and I do have like this workspace as well. So to create a new workspace, you can go and click on your profile at the top right corner, as you can see, account, and here you will find create workspace option. Go and click on it and name it whatever you want. For me, I'm just going to name it disk work space because I'm going to delete it afterwards. You can choose the type of it. I'm just going to choose like here, education, why not? You can give it a description, click on continue. Workspace members, you can invite some members to it right now. You can invite them using like an email, say example like this, or just the name. Some people has a name. If they already have an account, if they don't have an account, click on this invite link. This will copy a link to your clipboard and you can simply paste it to them. So for me, I'll just click on, I'll do this later. And as you can see, now I have another workspace. Okay, I was mistaken. You can create more than one workspace with the free plan. So sorry about that. And yeah, as you can see, here's your new workspace. You can start creating now some boards, invite members. As you can see, do whatever you want and you should be good to go, as you can see. And of course, if you want to delete it, I already like showed you how to do it before. So you can go and check that. So this is going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.